If you notice a wet patch below your air conditioning unit, stop the unit and act immediately to limit water damage. First, cut power to the air conditioner at the thermostat and the circuit breaker to prevent electrical hazard and further operation. Visually inspect the indoor unit or evaporator pan for standing water and place absorbent towels or a shallow pan beneath the leak to contain runoff. Check the condensate drain line by locating the plastic tubing or PVC pipe that runs from the pan to the exterior or a laundry sink. If the line is accessible, use a wet, dry vacuum on the outdoor drain termination for up to 2 minutes to pull a clog free and remove debris. If you cannot reach the line end, pour 1 cup of distilled white vinegar down the drain access port, or use a small amount of warm water to flush a soft clog, then follow with a slow, steady flow of water until it runs clear at the termination. Inspect the air filter and replace it if it is dirty, because restricted airflow causes excess condensation that overwhelms the drain pan. If you see corrosion, cracks in the pan, ice on the evaporator coils, or the leak persists after clearing the line, shut the system off and call a qualified HVAC technician for a hands-on repair. Common mistakes include continuing to run the system, which spreads water and risks electrical damage and mold growth. Turn the equipment off and isolate power instead. Another frequent error is using bleach or strong caustic cleaners in the condensate line without rinsing, which can damage plastic and seals. Use white vinegar or a manufacturer-recommended non-caustic condensate treatment and flush thoroughly with water. A third issue is ignoring recurring leaks, which usually signal a failing pan, blocked secondary drain, or refrigerant problem. If leaks return within a few days after cleaning, schedule a professional inspection and keep the area dry and photographed for contractor reference. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community discussion area where we share experiences and practical tips about home emergencies like air conditioner leaks. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them engage with homeowners and our discussion community for questions and recommendations.